Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Babb token. Ticker symbol is BAX, BAX. This token just got listed today on a central exchange, brand new listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. Before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that, just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this video here. So the Babb token, B-A-B-B, it just got listed today, September 28th on Mexc Global. So if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, you would just go right through that Mexc referral code down there, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search BAX, which is the ticker symbol for this token, and then you just simply buy the token. It's that easy. So yeah, Mexc Global is a great exchange. I've had nothing but good times using that exchange. If you want to find their Twitter here for the Babb token, you go over to @get, G-E-T-B-A-B-B, Getbabb. It says, Babb making a difference, ready for takeoff. Babb is using technology to bypass traditional banking networks and expensive third parties to facilitate borderless P2P transactions across the globe. Their Twitter has 42,200 Twitter followers, so they're doing amazing. It says they're from London. If you want to go to their webpage to find more info, it is getbabb.com. They also have I'm sure they have more socials here. They don't have them listed on their Twitter. They're probably on their webpage here. But yeah, 2,146 tweets. And they've been on Twitter since September 2017. So very, well-established project. Inclusive financial services for the world. Make, move, and manage fiat and crypto funds. Join the hundreds of thousands of users benefiting from the Babb app. You can download it from the App Store. You can get it on the Google Play Store. It says, make deposits by simply topping up your wallet or receiving funds from any user on the app. Move your funds instantly and free of charge to any user on the app. Manage funds and diversify your portfolio inside the app and join the strong global Babb community. They've been seen on Hacker Noon, Forbes, Raconteur, and BBC News. Connect with family and friends across the globe. Connect and send funds easily to those you care about, no matter where they are in the world. Internal transfers are free of charge, while external transfers bear the lowest fees thanks to our trusted global partners. Get connected. Learn more about the fees and limits. You can click on that. Send, receive, and manage fiat and crypto funds in multiple currencies, all in one app. Your KCEX and crypto tokens, all in one place, with our one-stop app backed by state-of-the-art blockchain technology that ensures cutting-edge safety and enhanced security. Exchange, trade, convert, and store your digital currencies while cutting out the middleman. Ride the wave and embrace the future of decentralized finance. Joining the Babb community will empower you to play a role in the rise of DeFi 2.0 and become a patron of our mission to make financial inclusive services available to the world without boundaries or barriers. 60 supported countries, 42,000 verified users, $2.6 million transaction volume, 100K registered users, 70K app downloads, and $60,000 card top-up to Bax wallets. Your privacy and security are our top priorities. No caveats, no small prints, thousands of users trust us with their money and on a daily basis. Here's how we assure transparency and safety. It's got secured with prominent banks. Your money is held with notable financial institutions, so it's 100% separate from our own accounts and inaccessible to our partners. We put control in the hands of users. We are regulated and registered. We are a e-money regulated crypto registered by authorities around the world. This includes the FCA in the UK. Audited regularly. We make sure your money's secure and that Babb is financially stable. As we are not yet a bank, your money isn't FSCS protected. Instead, we safeguard it. Extra secure transactions. We use two-factor authentication, CAPTCHA, and EKYC, which is electronic know your customer, to protect your account and transactions. That means you and only you get to get your money. Data protection, GDPR compliant. We're committed to keeping your personal data safe, and we're transparent in how we collect, process, and store it. Dedicated anti-fraud technical rules. We work around the clock to keep your account and money protected from even the most sophisticated frauds. Ready to experience Babb's financial services? There is a how-to guide on their page. You can download it now. At the bottom of the page, they have a roadmap. They have frequently asked questions, lots of socials, blogs, all sorts of links. You can sign up for a newsletter if you want to. So many things on there. So, yeah, the roadmap starts all the way back in 2018. And let's see how far it goes here. It goes, and then it keeps going all the way to 2023. So right now, it says ongoing. Where we're at now, it's add USDX and EURX to the KCEX family. Connect the SEPA payment method. Join the Open Banking Initiative. List backs on new exchanges, and that's what's happening right now on Mexc Global. Raise Series A equity, test hybrid wallets with legacy bank accounts and sort codes. And then next year, we're going to have launch Babb's own direct ledger technology, launch the hybrid wallet with bank account capabilities, open up an office in Austin, Texas, and open up a business development project in Dubai. Yeah, so you can check out their socials, check out their webpage, getbabb.com, and check out that Mexc referral code in the description box if you want to get this token off Mexc Global. Just got listed today. Now, I'm not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys leave a comment and let me know what you guys think about this token. Like this video and subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their utility and info are. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace.